Welcome to Miss Brown Simplifies. On this channel, I talk about how to keep clinical trial project management simple. Today, I am going to talk about the evolution of project manager in clinical trials in the age of digital innovation. Let me take you over how AI is reshaping the role of the project manager in clinical trials, transitioning it from a process keeper to a project strategist. AI helps get real-time insights to help optimize the study operations by starting at the design level in protocol to taking decisions based on the data, and then enhancing the study delivery using this information to have the most efficient outcome. Bit of context here. This is what has led to project manager role transformation. Several catalysts forced this change. High trial failure rates demanded a planning rethink. Spiraling costs necessitated smarter oversight. Decentralized trials required real-time data. The data volume explosion made manual review impossible, coinciding with the maturation of AI and machine learning tools, and new regulatory pressure for proactive quality management. As a project strategist, the core focus should be on making the right decisions at the right time. This can be achieved by following 3 key steps. First step is identifying risk early, before it becomes costly. Next step is translating complex data into clear, decision-ready insight for the stakeholders. And final step is taking action that's proportionate to the level of risk. Not every signal or emerging pattern needs escalation, but every signal needs to be understood. The key skill to focus on is the informed decision-making. As project manager, you must adopt a risk-aware mindset to navigate uncertainty. Proactive risk mitigation must be built in from day one. Instead of waiting for issues to occur and then react, the evolved project manager stress tests multiple assumptions during protocol design and feasibility process, creates multiple scenarios, and raises risk early. This is critical as each bottleneck will impact the costs. Raising risks and issues late costs months and millions. In the era of digital innovation, I feel empowered as a project manager, as I can use AI to further optimize my decision-making. Language models like GPT, Copilot, Gemini, etc. can proactively assess the project plans. AI tools can create or act as the project manager's agent, not a replacement. AI tools support the project manager by providing services like protocol complexity scans, pattern recognition, and enrollment modeling. Ultimately, though, the project manager should be able to quality check, interpret the signals, and make the critical call. AI is to assist project manager. It can't replace project manager, at least for now.
On a daily basis, how exactly can AI assist you? Let's say you are working in the study startup. So the AI can assist you with the language analysis for protocol design, you can assess the operational complexity in the study design, assess patient burden, project the risks and screen fail predictors, or for feasibility, you can analyze the real-world data for site selection. Similarly, for other stages of the trial, you can use the predictive models for recruitment, retention-related risk forecasting, and create automated data quality checks for closeout. AI can factually assist you at each step of the project management.
But here is a word of caution. AI is not perfect, not yet. So as a project manager, you must always quality check the AI agent's work. As the AI models have limitations, these include the risk of hallucination or incorrect outputs, garbage in, garbage out due to poor data quality, data privacy concerns, and AI's inherent context blindness. Furthermore, AI outputs for regulatory submissions still require GCP validation. Do not forget to vet the output generated by AI tools. Always work with caution in mind. This is key to quality. No matter how advanced AI becomes, certain human elements remain irreplaceable. These include trust building with sponsors and investigators, ethical judgment on patient safety trade-offs, and human pattern recognition to resolve contextual ambiguity and provide essential leadership under pressure. I hope you have made it till this part of the video. I will now provide a simplified framework with a balanced approach of working using the AI in clinical trial project management. Here is a breakdown what AI can do for you and what you should do as the project manager. The AI tools can handle tasks like pattern scanning and routine reporting, but project manager must review and decide on flagged risks, prioritize signals, and apply context. The AI tool can assist with tasks like risk register updates, but the human elements cannot be replaced, and the project manager will have to retain the decision-making, building escalation pathways, stakeholder relationship management, and leadership in the project delivery.
Thanks for staying till the end. The key takeaways are that the evolved project manager must always stay ahead, using AI to amplify their abilities, not replace them. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are already using an AI tool, or if you want to see a video on any topics related to clinical trial management, comment below. Please like and subscribe to support the content on Miss Brown Simplifies. Thank you. See you next time.